sure that doesn't touch anything grounded. And then what you do is with the power off, make sure you short it out to each other. That'll discharge it. You can remove it. There it is.
Oh, grenade.
Yeah, pretty much. So cross this one out knowing that this is the bad one. And then I always take a picture showing that yes, there was a bad one and now we have a new one. I'm gonna put today's date on that one, which is the 6th. 8/6/21. There it is. And we're gonna wire this back up. And then I noticed this connector kind of just fell off, so we're gonna tighten it up a bit. Make sure the spades look nice and tight. That's what happens when a capacitor doesn't discharge. Arced out. So we have our compressor side. See, now it's gonna be nice and tight on the spade, which is what we want. Good connections. And then here's your other compressor wire. Got your fan wire. And then you have your common wire. And that's it. We'll put this back. With the label facing up, so that way the next guy that comes out here doesn't have to wonder what kind of current controller he's testing. He'll be able to just visibly see it's 45.5. Always try to help out the guys that come after you.
Yeah.
Out there, got this. There it is.